Morning, beautiful people. Had to run to Walmart real quick, prepare for my clients. Had to get a couple of products. So that's what I'll be doing for the next 8 hours. I got 2 clients. And then I will be eating some apples. I'm anticipating them apples. I'm eating super healthy today and tomorrow because me and my mom, we're doing some type of fast next week. So once upon a time, I used to work all day Saturday. All day. Like, work from morning to night. Till like midnight. But now I don't do that. Because my son is 14. Some of y'all probably didn't even know I had like a whole teenager. But yeah. My son is 14 and he likes to go places. So I try to cut my schedule off at about 6 or 7. The next couple of hours dedicated to me driving him places. And waiting for him to be like, I'm ready. So that's what we'll be doing tonight. And then I'm getting me some flowers today. I'm doing something for me today. Yes, I want to get my nails done, but we're gonna hold out. We might hold out. Might. I don't know. It's time. But yeah. I'm done with my first client. I'm about to clean up a little bit and then I'm about to eat. I'm hungry. I'm probably gonna eat. I'm gonna do something healthy this weekend. Like, I'm being super healthy this weekend. My mom cooking dinner Sunday tomorrow. So I'm definitely gonna be eating super healthy. I like to go extreme with it. I like to give my body so many nutrients and just overload it. Like, I really try to eat healthy majority of the time. So that's what we're doing. So I'll come back to y'all when I'm about to eat. Hey y'all, I'm coming in from the editing room, but nah, it's like March the 26th. But this was actually recorded on March the 1st because it was the day when we got some pretty weather in Georgia. So we got some pretty weather and then it disappeared. And we've been like on a roller coaster ever since. But let me tell you, I stayed outside for like almost 3 hours. My energy was so freaking high, y'all. I just wanted to come in and tell y'all what was going on in this clip. It looked like I recorded it sideways. But let me tell you, I was vibrating and elevating and all that good stuff and connecting with nature. I felt amazing. Amazing.
In my bed all day long, listening to sad songs and feeling so low, thinking about you and where we went wrong. 'Cause I wanna know why you let me go. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart, you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. 'Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me?
I'm done with my walk. I definitely am. I forgot to record for YouTube. I did some little videos for TikTok. Y'all know I drink spring water, but in my car I have this purified water, which is, I'm just gonna have to drink it because it's in here and I'm thirsty. It's hot. It feels so good out there though. It feels so good. Like, I really want to go for another hour. Maybe I should. Maybe I should just drink my water and just go for another hour. Because I feel like I'm right at the point where you about to start sweating. I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to cut my car off. Ooh, I'm hungry too, though. It's too pretty not to. Hey beautiful people, I'm back from walking, y'all. I went to the store real quick. I got a couple of things for my son. I feel good. I'm about to hit the shower and I got a client, so that's what I'm about to do. I just want to check in. I hope you guys have an amazing day. And I ate a mango. I got 3 mangoes. I ate 1. It wasn't all the way right like I wanted, so I said I'm gonna say the other 2. But yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. Peace.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason. It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I got